Today we will discuss transcription unit. So what is transcription unit? It is the sequence of nucleotides in the DNA which codes for the single RNA. So if this is a DNA, it has some units which will transcribe and form RNA, and this unit is known as transcription unit. So this simply we can say the DNA part which is responsible for the formation of RNA is known as transcription unit. So the transcription unit in DNA consists of three regions. One is promoter, the structural gene, a terminator. Promoter consists of promoter is a sequence of nucleotide where the transcription starts. Structural genes is the position in which the transcription occurs, and the terminator is the sequence of nucleotides where the transcription stops. So two strands of DNA has polarity. The DNA dependent RNA polymerase, this is the enzyme which will help to catalyze the reaction. DNA dependent because it is dependent on DNA, RNA polymerase because it will form RNA. So this will catalyze the reaction in 5 and 2 3 and direction. Now the strand which has polarity 3 and to 5 and acts as a template and also known as template strand. So this is the template strand, and the other strand which has polarity 5' to 3' has the same base pairs as that of messenger RNA. Messenger RNA will be formed here. So the sequence of the nucleotide in the other strand, the 5' to 3' will have the same basis as compared to the RNA, but the difference will be that instead of the thiamine it will have uracil in RNA. This strand is not involved in the formation of RNA. The DNA strand does not code, but still it is called the coding strand. Still it 5' to 3' it does not code for any of the these does not code, but still it is known as coding strand. So all the references references point while defining the transcription unit is made with the coding strand. That's why it is known as coding strand. So suppose we want to say that promoter is on the 5 end, so we will see the coding strand. If we say the terminator is on the 3' end, then we are also referring to the coding strand. The promoter and the terminator are on the both side of the structural genes. So this is the structural genes. The promoter and the terminator, they are on the both sides. The promoter is located on the 5 end of the coding strand. That's why it is known as upstream. Upstream of structural gene means it is before the structural genes. That's why it is known as upstream. It is the DNA sequences that provide binding sites for RNA polymerase. Promoter will provide a site for the attachment of the RNA polymerase from where the transcription will start. Now the promoter also defines the template and the coding sites also. The terminator is located on the 3 end of the coding strand, also called the downstream because it is after the structural genes. It also defines the end of termination. So structural genes are the actual transcription, where the actual transcription occurs. When RNA reaches the terminator, and then it is removed and it forms the messenger RNA. Thank you.